finally accepting the bike, y'all. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. I'm gonna update y'all real fast in this video because the video that you're about to watch was made in 2 different days, so it's a little bit of confusion. But today is Friday. Right now it's about 4 p.m. out here in Corona. I'm trying to go live tomorrow, this Saturday. We only have literally less than about 40 spots left, so if you want to get in to win to Silver Bullet giveaway today right now for $25, go in the description below, grab you 1 of 3 keychains, slide in our hide and the SLIDN one in a Built by Dre, or get you a red Kicks by Dre hat. Either of those 4 products is going to enter you into the Silver Bullet giveaway. We are live tomorrow, man. I'm trying to go live tomorrow. If we could sell out and knock these last spots out today, literally it's Friday, we could make it happen. We got the bike on the way. It's almost there. We got the motor arriving. We got the frame powder coated, waiting on the rims. Everything else is coming. But like I said, I appreciate everybody for all the support. And if you want to get in to win, do it right now for $25 because we could be literally going live, calling your name tomorrow, picking up the truck and the bike, man. So please get in to win it while you can, man. We sliding. Yes, sir, man. We got this thing loaded up. We're about to go ahead and hit the dyno shop, man. We got about an hour-and-a-half drive. So buckle your seatbelt and stay tuned, y'all. Sliding, not hiding, man. So yes, sir, man. They are finally accepting the bike, y'all. We're about to get this thing offloaded off the truck. And they about to dyno it. Not today, but they about to get it going. They got so many bikes. So they got a lot of bikes out here for sure. And they was honestly not about to accept it, but I had to just tell my guy, we've been on a road and on a very long path and we trying to just make it to the end, like literally. So please, if I could do anything. And I told him, like, man, I've been here 1,000 times delivering bikes from other people to you to get they tuned. So please give me in one time. But it's good. We going in, y'all. Where should I roll it to?
Right up there.
Should I turn it around?
Huh?
Should I turn it around for you, make it easier?
Yeah.
Man, we done finally got the bike to the dyno shop, man. The one and only, y'all already know, man. Oh, man, this is the place to come out here, man. They gonna get you right. American Speed, man. They gonna get you right, man. They got everything going. One of the good dyno machines, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to see the results. Yes, sir, man. She is on the way, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got back to the house, and unfortunately, the truck then broke down, y'all. It's so crazy. So, the other day, we put that tensioner, and we got a water leak. So, right now, I'm running with the fact that the water pump is going out because we have all this brown stuff. Then you can kind of smell the antifreeze burning, but you can see it. So we got that fresh tensioner down there we put on. I can't see in there, super dirty. We're gonna go ahead and let it cool off and get to taking everything apart. Literally was just in this thing sagging back and forth to LA, putting a lot of miles on this thing, so it's definitely been running. That's why I have no problem with that going out, because we at the house and we can take care of it. If we were somewhere going and broke down in the middle of the freeway, this would be a lot much worse. That's why I'm not tripping. I'd rather get it out the way right now just to know everything is finally good and ready to go. So when we drive and transporting, we're not worried about no problems or nothing happening. And we the man for the job, so why not? That's a good thing about it, man. It's nothing. So we're about to keep going, keep making it happen. Y'all see what's going on. We got the truck out here, just offloaded the Roadking. Up next, we got the ROADGLIDE that we about to get back to in a hot second. So we're trying to keep greatness on the way and keep these things coming, man. We're almost sold out, y'all. I got this thing on the lift, looking good, lit up. Let me hit the light for y'all. I know we got the light special. Yes, sir, man. That orange is looking good, man. I cannot wait, man. I see what's going on, though. We about to get this work in. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here sliding. We out here the next day in LA. We about to pull up on my guy with the Roadking that's at the dyno shop right now. We gotta grab the battery. He got a brand new battery for me that's hot and ready because the battery had been sitting for a while. So y'all know it's only right that you come back better with a new one, so that way everything can work out in our favor. But we are a few minutes away, so I'm about to pull up on him. I'm supposed to get a haircut a couple days ago. I got my son a haircut, and I just told myself I'm gonna just wait, man. We got better things to focus on. But today, man, I'm tired of looking crazy. So we about to go ahead and pull up on my guy out here and get a fresh cut. Get that on the way. Got the bike assembled looking good like I showed y'all last night on the live. So if you haven't tuned into that, you can always go back to my videos and check out the live right now. So understand that. But like I said, we about to get this bike fully complete on the way, man. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait. It's up. We only got a few spots left. It's Friday. It's time to go live and see where this truck and this bike is about to be headed. So I'm telling you, get in and win it while you can. And this video will be posted today as soon as I make it back to the house. So stay tuned, man. Though we sliding, not hiding, man. We on this freeway beating these miles up in the Silver Bullet, making it happen, man. Y'all see what's going on. Just know this could be yours, juiced up like this, man. I'm telling you, y'all see what's going on. Y'all see my man's right there hauling. Hey, you could do a little bit of everything when you got you the right truck. I'm telling you, for real. Yes, sir, man. We getting it in, man. My boy got us with a fresh battery, man. We about to go up, bro. I'm telling you, man. Gotta tell him, man. We about to be sliding on this Roadking. We about to be greatness. We about to be sliding, man. My homie up here getting to the money, man. I'm about to get to mine. Y'all see it though, man. I'm telling you, we going up, man. Real soon. We about to be. So yeah, we about to pull off from here. We headed to the rim shop now. My boy did hook me up with the battery, so that way the dyno shop could have it perfectly going. Cause we had one, but I'm not gonna lie, that battery was brought a minute ago in my last shop before I had even moved from my apartment. So over time, these batteries die out because the shop I had before, the house in the garage, I had no power to charge, nothing with no tenders or anything. So it's way better now. So that's why we elevating our game, man. So everything could be much better and much better and efficient. So like I said, right now I'm about to get to this rim shop, show y'all the rims we putting on the bike. Hopefully they done and we can leave with them. So stay tuned, man, because I'm amped up. I'm ready to see this bike riding and complete. Like I said, make sure I get in and win it. Today is the day, man. It's Friday, it's game day. It's time to go up and make it happen. Literally a few hours. So get ready for 6 p.m. if we can sell out, man. I'm trying to make it happen real life today. Hey, this is why I love LA. Y'all see she ain't playing. She out here riding and sliding on her trike. Hey, look, she getting it in early morning, sliding. Hey, check her out though. Hey, if y'all know her and y'all see this video on YouTube, man, y'all better show her, man. Hey, oh, she's sliding. Look, she getting it in. Hey, y'all see her? And she got the oldies playing, man. She getting it in. That's how you coming. That's how they do in LA, man. I swear I love LA. That's one thing you gonna catch. You gonna catch a bike or a nice whip or a low rider or a muscle car or something. You definitely gonna see something. That's why you gotta keep your eyes open at all times and be aware, man. But yes, sir, we about to get to it and have a great day, man. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here. We just made it to LA. We about to get a lot of stuff dropped off, man. We got the Silver Bullet right there in the back, looking super dirty. I can enter to win that thing with the bike that's at the house, the ROADGLIDE. That's what we're giving away with this joint. I wish it had some orange on this thing, but it's honestly good. As y'all can see, the truck is dirty. We've been making it work, getting to it. We gonna get it going though. We gotta get it washed nice and clean. But today, we putting it to work, making it happen. I'm telling you, this could be y'all truck, big sliding. We're gonna get it cleaned up real soon, in a few hours. But y'all see what's going on, man. The truck is looking juiced up, looking good. My mom and them, they got their grass popping. You can't tell them nothing. It's crazy. They don't got the boat or the RV killing the grass no more, looking super green. See? I'm jealous. Slide them, and I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. We about to go ahead and head to the rim shop, and then we're gonna get some other stuff. But I'm telling y'all, enter the win for that joint, man. I'm telling you, it's about to be y'all truck in due time. But you gotta enter the win for this joint and get you a keychain or two, and it could be yours, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait, y'all. We are almost there. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got a cut, man. Your boy needed that because I was looking crazy, man. Especially recording these videos, I be seeing it all up close, just as y'all looking at it too. So believe me, we got the same view. But like I said, we about to get to it, man. I was knocked out asleep at my mom's waiting on this dude to get a cut. A lot of people got a lot of things going today, I see. So the rim guy, I could not catch up with at all today. He said he'd been waiting on me all week, but I had so much other stuff going back and forth. It's been hard to catch him with the timing of me driving and arriving. But anyway, we're gonna try that again tomorrow. I'm about to go ahead and probably get myself back on this freeway and get to this dyno shop. We got the battery back there for the bike, so that's a plus. That's the main thing. So hopefully we can get a dyno video in a day, man. You never know. We about to most certainly see today, man. So stay tuned, y'all. Man, we didn't finally got off the freeway after this long, down there 2-hour drive in this traffic. But it's good because I know this bike needs to be done and they have to get this battery. And I can't wait to see the progress and see what's going on. So let's stay tuned, man. And they got some bikes in the front. They got some bikes in the front looking good. They got some old school in the back. But yeah, man, stay tuned. We about to get up in here, y'all. Yes, sir. We got a fresh new battery. They got the joints out here looking good. Got the King. What's going on, man? So they definitely got a lot going on right now. I'm not gonna lie. They got the bike right there in front ready. So I'm hoping for the best, but like I was saying before, man, we got a lot going on. I'm just happy everything is in motion and happening. So like, I'm glad the bike is there, about to be on the way. So stay tuned for that, y'all. I cannot wait. I'm amped up. I'm excited. I know my boy definitely happy after all this time. We're finally on the way to success. And now we get to work on part 2, man, because we coming with something new. But make sure y'all enter the win for the silver bullet, y'all. We are almost sold out. Today is Friday. I'm about to go ahead and upload this video, so hopefully y'all get to see it right in time to get a spot, because once we sold out and it's over, it's a done data. But I'm about to go ahead and head back on this freeway and get these hours out of the way, man, because got a long drive, y'all. But stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Y'all see what's going on.